So what I'm going to be doing here today is making a memory saver for when you disconnect a battery in a car. It'll keep the radio stations, so in case you don't have the code to reprogram your radio and all the other functions, the clock and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is hook in series two 9-volt batteries. Then I'm going to take a 7812 voltage regulator. So that'll take the 18 volts going in and it'll be 12 volts coming out. These are pretty inexpensive. You can get usually like 10 of them for $5. And same with these connectors for here. So I also have a couple of little battery clamps here from a battery charger, so I'm going to use those and some wire, and then I'm going to mount it all on a board here. First thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our little connector here for the 9-volt battery, and I'm going to put a positive and negative wire together and then solder that together. Okay, before I soldered that one, I did put a little shrink tube on there, and I'll slide that on there and heat that up. Next, I'm going to make this connection, this positive, to the in on our voltage regulator. Okay, I put a little shrink tube on there. Before I did that, I'll put that up there. Okay, made the connection to the center one there. Put both wires through our little shrink tube and soldered it on there. I'll go ahead and put that on there and shrink that down. Okay, I'm going to attach our little handle there to our negative, and I'll put our clamp on the other wire, and then I'll solder it to the positive on the voltage regulator. Okay, made our final connection there. I'll take and drill some holes here where I got it marked. I'll put a zip tie through, and it'll hold the battery on there. Them zip tied on there, those batteries. Cut the ends off. What I'm going to do is take a little screw here and put it through the top there, mount it, and take some wire ties or wire straps, and then strap the wires down. Okay, I got her all done here. I put some glue underneath those straps so those wires won't pull out. I did not put a switch in there, so you'll need to disconnect one of the batteries. Got it hooked up to my meter here, and you can see it's putting out 12 volts here.